I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After an afternoon of highs right around 70 today, our highs tomorrow a little cooler in the upper 50s to the 60s. Chances of rain and thunderstorms increasing west to east tomorrow as an area of low pressure tracks east. Some severe thunderstorms are possible late in the day tomorrow in central and eastern areas right near the Nebraska-Kansas state line. Large hail and damaging winds are the main threats. Rain and some thunderstorms are most likely tomorrow night through Thursday. North wind gusts to 40 are ushered in by a cold front for Thursday. Chances of rain taper off for Thursday night. Snow a possibility in western Nebraska, but with little to no accumulation. Higher chances of total rainfall of a half inch to an inch are across Nebraska. Shots of colder air keep our highs in the mid-40s to the mid-50s for Thursday on into Monday. Near normal temperatures are predicted for Sunday through March 25th for Nebraska and Kansas. The outlook starts drier than normal in Nebraska and Kansas the early half of next week before a trend of slightly above normal precipitation late next week through March 25th. Key weather factors the markets are watching include a storm tracking through the U.S. this week, colder air by this weekend, and drier weather in parts of Brazil. Across the Corn Belt yesterday, daily record highs included 70 in Fargo, North Dakota, and 80 in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Sioux City, Iowa. Storminess begins to spread east of the Rockies with an axis of heavier precipitation extending from Nebraska tomorrow to southern New England by Thursday night. Some wet snow may also accumulate across the Central Plains. Locally severe thunderstorms are likely to be most numerous late Thursday from the mid-Mississippi Valley to the southeast plains. Mid to late week rainfall could reach 2 to 4 inches or more from eastern Texas to the southern Appalachians. Temperatures in the plains and Midwest turning colder this late week and over the weekend. Another quick moving storm tracks southeast through the plains and Midwest later next week with another burst of cold air and a chance of rain. In Brazil this week, scattered rain is limited to central and northern areas. The drier weather in southern Brazil is unfavorable for second crop corn. Rainfall this weekend or early next week in Brazil becomes more widespread and beneficial. The middle of Argentina sees scattered rain this week, a benefit to filling corn and soybeans. The rain then moves into northern Argentina this weekend through next week. The Argentina rain expected to be widespread enough to benefit both corn and soybeans. The Black Sea region had temperatures go below freezing this past weekend, but wheat is not developed enough to be damaged by the frost. Isolated to scattered rain moves through the Black Sea region the next couple of days as soil moisture and most of the crops stay in favorable condition. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.